Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone font bigger. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make the font size on your iPhone larger, you can adjust the text size settings and these settings app. Here's how to do it. Tap on the settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. In the Display and Brightness menu, tap on Text Size. And here, you will see a slider that allows you to adjust the text size. Move the slider to the right to increase the font size. The further to the right you move it, the larger the text will become. If you want the text to be more readable, you can also enable bold text. To do this is just to go back to the Display and Brightness menu and toggle on bold text. Your iPhone will restart to apply this change. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the font size on your iPhone to make the text easier to read. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.